What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK4286580 Auto-TK. This is going to be our brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle with self-adjusting brakes and Timken bearings. See right here, this box you get in, got our logo on it. We got our two smaller boxes to keep everything from moving around while it gets to you. We have our True Ride hub and drums. These are going to be the 8-on 6.5 hub and drums with the races already pressed in on both sides, as we can see. Then we're going to have our 12x2 self-adjusting backing plate. It's got the magnet already on it. This cord right here is what tells you that it's self-adjusting. That's what keeps the mechanism moving out as you use it. Then we have our other box right here with all of our small parts and our Timken bearings. We're going to have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So with this kit, we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. You can see right here, this sticker is what's going to tell us left hand, right hand. And we're going to get two inner bearings, the 25580s. These are the Timken made in the US bearings. And we're going to get two of the 14125A outer bearings, also Timkens. And we're going to get 4 grease caps, and the reason we're going to get 4 of these is we can see 2 of them are going to be the ones with the hole in it, and 2 of them are going to be solid like that. These solid ones are for the regular spindles, and the ones with the hole in them are for the easy lube spindles that are also going to come with the rubber cap. Then we're going to get 4 seals. And the reason that we're going to get 4 of these is because 2 of these are 1 1/4 and 2 of them are 1 1/8. The thicker ones are for the older style axle. These thinner ones are for the newer style axles. More than likely that's what you're going to need, but we like to send them both. Make sure you get what you need. And we're going to have the brake mounting hardware here. But generally these studs will already come back plate on the axle. But sometimes they fall out, so we like to send extras. So you just pop them in, pop them through the plate on the axle, pop them in, screw them down, and you're good to go. We're going to have our lug nuts. We're going to get 16 of these. These are the 1/2 inch lug nuts. And then we're going to get our hardware here. So we're going to get 2 castle nuts. We're going to get 2 of these tang washers. These are for your easy lube spindles. And then we're going to get 2 of these flat washers for your regular spindles. And we're also going to get 2 cotter pins. More than likely you're not going to need them, but just in case you do, we like to send them. So you'll get 2 of these. So that's it, guys. That's the BK4286580 Auto-TK.